Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network. Finishing touches. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You guys can check out their biometric wallet, which has got $50 off, as well as biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below, guys. And Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price of both the Flare Network and Songbird at the time of the recording, guys. So this is Flare Network. Flare is down 2.44% for the day, guys. The price has basically dipped from 0.0318 all the way to 0.03026. If we look at this last 7-day chart, guys, then it is up 0.30% in the last 7 days. It went as low as 0.02743. I've told you time and again that the 3 cent mark is a crucial support. Even though it broke down towards the downside, it still managed to get back up to this attraction point, guys, which is the 3 cent mark. This has become a crucial attraction point, a magnet for the price, guys. If it is broken down with vigor, then I think it will be a problem. But if it is intact, I think this 3 cent mark is a crucial psychological support, guys. If you look at the monthly chart, Flare is down 20.58% in the last month. The price has gone down from 4.5 cent all the way to the aforementioned prices. Now, talking about crucial support, this yearly chart, guys, check this out. The 3 cent mark is proving to be a crucial support. The price rebounded from this price point, so let's hope that it after the sideways action, it goes back to its the early high, which is 0.051 cents, guys. In the early, it has performed extremely well, guys. It has gone from 0.008682 all the way to 5 cents, and impressive rally, guys, in my opinion. But the best is yet to come when it comes to Flare, because check this out, the all-time chart, guys, it is down 61.23% if you look at its all-time chart. I do not know how legit this is, because I think CMC has a glitch going on. It isn't down as much as they're saying, not 61%, I think. So yeah, let us look into this. Okay, so all-time high. Okay, according to the all-time high from the 0.0797 mark, according to CMC, this is the all-time high. It is down 61.46%. And if you look at this at Songbird chart, guys, the all-time chart, it is way down, guys. Check this out, down 96.57%. If you look at the all-time chart, and only 143 million dollar market cap. And if you look at the yearly chart, guys, then it is following the similar path as Flare. It is bouncing off from this support level over here, the 0.0098 mark. Basically, this 1 cent mark is a crucial psychological point for Songbird. So, guys, now, let us see what is new, guys. What is happening with Flare Network? Let me show you a post over here, which they have posted on their official X handle. We're putting the finishing touches to the F Assets open beta to ensure a seamless experience for everyone. Head over to the blog for a deeper dive. We'll look into the blog as well. The future of utility on Flare networks is bright, and the F Assets open beta is on the horizon, guys. So what I would like to clear out one thing, guys. This open beta is for cost on testnet and not for SGB and FLR mainnet yet. For assurance, check this out. This question: open beta on cost on testnet, right? So the answer is yes. So Flare is basically giving those finishing touches for the F assets and FTSO scaling as well. So we're going to be looking at the blog. So this is the F assets beta progress update, guys. March 3, 2024 by Nick Champion. So yeah, the 2 months since Flare Labs' last progress update on F assets have flown by. Yeah, I was wondering they hadn't updated the community for a while now. So basically 2 months since the last update. And there's plenty to report, guys. The closed beta is progressing well and on the Coston testnet, and new beta testers will soon be invited to participate on an open basis, guys. So there will be new beta testers who will be testing the F assets on Coston. So basically, this is happening now. Finally, I know they have delayed it a bit. They were planning it for April on Songbird, from what I have read and heard, but that didn't happen anyways. So better. It is still good that they're doing this finally, starting with agents. So the closed beta. The objective of the closed beta phase on Coston is to refine and validate all functionalities of the F asset system in a live environment. So basically, they have been conducting closed beta tests on Coston to see how the functionalities are happening. So in a live environment, guys, the minting, redeeming, challenging, and liquidating, guys. Development takes time. I know that sometimes deadlines, when they are not met, people get frustrated, the investors get frustrated, the holders get frustrated. But I do not want a broken product. I mean, people have waited a long time for F assets, guys, and for the infrastructure to function seamlessly and smoothly, they need good testing, guys. Within the closed beta, the following milestones have been reached. So these are the milestones, guys. Let us just go through them. All protocol contracts have been deployed on Coston. An audit of the F assets code by Coinspect. Coinspect have basically audited the F assets code, has been successfully completed. 10 beta testers have been onboarded and are providing detailed report on their experience. 5 additional testers are due to join imminently. So overall, 15 testers on their closed beta testnet testing. Their feedback has already enabled the onboarding documentation to be improved and finalized, ready for smooth onboarding of new agents. The initial F assets front end user interface is almost complete. So obviously, we do not only rely on the back end of stuff. We also need things happening on the front end, and that's happening, the user interface, and it needs to be slick for the people to get attracted and use it efficiently. Anyone can create their own dApp front end for the system, but the Flare Labs will provide an initial setup to support the beta. The agent user interface development is also underway. This will replace the command line interface system, which is currently being used by beta participants, and simplify the configuration and monitoring of the system. So guys, basically, the closed beta has been happening and these milestones have been achieved. Basically, so before the open beta test, so before they conduct the open beta test, before it starts, Flare Labs needs to complete the following tasks. So before the open lab or the open beta test starts, they need to complete real life scenario simulations with the existing 15 testers. The already onboarded 15 testers, they will basically complete the simulations, real life scenario, because obviously in real life there are a lot of bugs that happen, glitches, a lot of load happens, so a lot of stuff, guys. Different market volatility scenarios have been designed, obviously, for the bull market, for the bear, and in between. This is cool. Improve the monitoring system and documentation. Finalize the F assets user interface to enable easy active participation. Like I told you guys, a good user interface is required, guys. This is obvious. Get confirmation that the XRP testnet will not be reset during the period of the open beta. This is also cool. Separately, the Flare Foundation, which is aiding Flare Labs in the rollout of F assets, need to complete the implementation of FTSO version 2. Like I told you guys over here, we're going to be looking at this FTSO scaling as well, a deep dive into this as well in a future video. This is also required before the open beta test happens, guys. So, but as far as the open beta is concerned, guys, In the open beta, the wider player community will be invited, obviously. So initially, only agents and liquidators will be invited to the open beta. So those who are agents and liquidators, guys, initially only they will be invited. And subsequently, after that, guys, the beta will also be open to minters and liquidity providers once the user interface is available. So all in all, guys, the liquidators, liquidity providers, minters, and agents will be invited for this open beta testing and once the user interface is available, guys. So this was the update, guys, on app assets and what is happening. So what do you guys think about it? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Are you satisfied with the progress or not? So I would like your opinions. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.